Hey everybody, so I'm back and I got my microscope set up and I got that post in and I got my two LCD monitors set up on the back, and then I ended up having to do a little bit of creative problem solving and more woodworking stuff, so that way now there's a little, I don't know if you've noticed, probably not, but there's a gap that added right here. I had to strengthen this so that way I could drill the post directly into here, so that way it's back and out of the way a little bit at least. And that gave me room to put the microscope stand in here where I had planned for it to go. But once I got it in there, the boom arm came out, and there were two problems. Number one, the boom arm kept falling down towards me because the stand just wasn't heavy enough, sturdy enough in that position. And the other thing was because there's a drop here, so there's like this one, and then there's another drop here to the table itself, and then there's another section of table down here. So that drop from where the stand base was all the way to where my work surface was so much so that I couldn't get things in focus properly. I have this, so here's the arm, and you can see how it can kind of swing out of the way. So yeah, I have my nifty vise here, clamp, that I can clamp motherboards to when I want to heat them from the underside. That'll be really useful. But I was trying to, once I had the boards there, I could get them in the very bottom end of the focusing range. It didn't really give me any room to focus things more, and they had to be in the vise. For bigger boards that might have worked, but if I was working on like an iPhone board, which I hope to work up to, that would the iPhone boards are so small that I can't really clamp them easily, not with this piece. I have some other clamping options I could use, but I would much rather work directly on a solid surface. And so to solve both those problems, I just moved the microscope from up here, the base anyways, to here, which gave me a ton of room up there, which is going to be great because I have hopefully a soldering station coming, so I can run all three of my Hackos at once, or not at once, but just have them all heated and up and running, so I don't have to swap out the bases and things like that. So that will be really nice because I can have both of those there, and then I can also have my Hacko heat station, my hot air station. I may move these over and then put the hot air station far to the right. We'll see how that plays out in the end. When the hot air gets here, it's shipping currently, so we'll see when it arrives. But yeah, so there's the new microscope and the latest edition with the LCDs. So yeah, I'm gonna post this guy, and yeah, let me know what you think.